got
I was
very
really
choked
excited
up.
about
She
it.
got very choked up.
When I see a trivet, I get upset. No, it's a 12 by 40 heat-resistant trivet runner, brand new today.
Yes.
What's a trivet runner?
Thank you for asking. So it has this kind of rubbered back detail, which creates a non-slip, with then a material on top, which does not allow a heat transfer. Wow. Did I answer your question? Have we been talking for 2 hours and 10 minutes? I don't know how you do this. I'm like, hada. So again, you can put it right down the center of the table. It's got a great length to it. You can put your hot bakers on here and you never have to worry about it. And it's a perfect kind of runner.
I feel like I want to get more than one and just cover the whole table.
Okay.
Like, let's just...
So we even used it over here where Lisa is as like a placemat.
Yes.
So you can see how it like will replace your placemats. But let's talk the colors and then we'll show you a million different ideas. So football, absolutely.
So cute.
Touchdown, have to have it. Like it's so, I was going to say hands down and then I went for the
Cock-a-doodle-dorbs.
Our cock-a-doodle-dorbs. Here we have our scattered rooster pattern.
Stop it.
We have our scattered rooster pattern, just like we have it in some of the other pieces. Here we have our confetti, mixing and matching all of our colors.
Always makes me think of you.
Well, I always collect confetti, and now I mix in my white woodland. Romance, yes, a must. And then, of course, our shamrock here. So there's that rubber backing that creates that non-slip. Every time we bring these in, they love it.
These are amazing.
Here's the scoop again. They're seasonal. So just like our tea kettles, we won't do these patterns again. So if you want to get it, pick it up because you will use it a million different ways.
I mean, it's more than half the length of a body.
And you're just going to spot clean it, right? So you don't have to worry about it getting ruined. You'll just go ahead, spot clean it.
And I'll show you the back since we have that great shot.
And that's the technology of it. That's that rubber that helps keep the heat off of your table.
I feel like it's going to help keep things from skidding across.
Exactly. And it, again, is a non-slip. So if you wanted to put things like, you wanted to put it down your countertop and put things like your KitchenAid stand mixer on there, or your Keurig, you could make like a little grounding barista station if you wanted to. Use it for your hot bakers. We actually even put one of our hot tea kettles on here, and there's no heat transfer.
Well,
and that's what we love.
The free shipping's going away at the end of the day. It's $21.
Yeah.
Less than 1 hour. As a matter of fact, it's about 47 minutes
to be
left to enjoy this free shipping. I love math.
Yes.
But straight out of the oven?
Nope.
Just kidding.
Yeah.
There's nothing.
I think they outdid us because we only have 47 seconds left. They're like, we're just going to put the baker out there. Straight out of the oven with nothing, okay? But look, here's our 5-piece set that's coming up. Oh, yeah, that's hot. We were able to put the cobbler right on there and not have to worry. The tea kettle's still warm from our presentation earlier. So bakers, things like that, protecting your tables. Over by Lisa, we actually used it as placemats.
Let's see.
And I did want to show you that this has our dinnerware. This has our mega mugs.
I love
this has our Lazy Susan. This table makes me so happy. Look how beautiful. We use it just as little placemats.
I love it. And look,
Great
you
idea.
can fit 2 place settings per side. No problem.
No problem
I
at
love
all.
this. I think this is Mark Charles approved.
Doing
it this way.
Right? Elongated there.
Absolutely.
Yes.
He's in his feety jammies asleep,
His
but I'll let him know.
like his ears are ringing and he doesn't know why right now.
500 have already been picked up. It's $7 on Easy Pay and free shipping, but remember that free shipping goes away in about 46 minutes.
Hey, I like your sweater.
Hey, I like your sweater.
Thank you.